Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to tease your hair. I have half of it done, and as you can see this part is flat. I'll teach you how to do that real quick. You just grab the front section of your hair, the crown part, take a comb like this, and just comb backwards until you start seeing knots form. And once you can't comb back anymore and you see all this fluff, you just take your favorite hairspray, spray the back, and it should stick up a little bit. Then all you do is grab a comb and comb the top sections by dragging it across, just like so. And then just hairspray that down. And if you still have little loose ends like that, just fix it with your fingers. And there you go. That's how you tease your hair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.